Welcome to jzgraphics, an amazing tip for Adobe Illustrator users. So, let's get it started. First, the artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Create a rectangle shape of artboard size. Unlock the background or press Ctrl+2. Go to the ellipse tool and create a circle. And apply the gradient to it. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. And resize it. Select both, right-click on it, and choose Compound Path. Then go to the Effect menu, Path, and Offset Path. Follow my settings. And hit OK. Again, go to the Effect menu, Path and Offset Path. Add the same but negative amount of offset. And hit OK. Double-click on it, and do like this. Click on Recolor button, and you can change its color. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.